Alright, so you got 20 over 72 times 42 over 18 divided by 20 over 16. So we want to think about the order of operations, PEMDAS. We've got a multiplication here and a division. And so PEMDAS is you do parentheses, exponents, then you multiply or divide, and we're always going from left to right. So in other words, if the divide was here and the multiply was here, you would still do division first, then multiply, left to right. You guys might see some Facebook quizzes on that, where people don't understand that it's multiply or divide from left to right, then it's add or subtract from left to right. Anyway, so it's PEMDAS is not exactly literal with these parts, but it doesn't really matter here because we've got to multiply first and then divide anyway. So there's kind of two ways of doing this. We can flip and multiply right away with this one, or we can multiply first and then divide. I think I'm going to flip and multiply, because I hope you guys can understand that it's perfectly fine to turn this divide by 20 over 16 into multiply by what? Yeah, multiply by 16 over 20. I hope you all understand. Like, that's perfectly fine to do, because that's dividing by this just means multiplying by that, right? So we can rewrite the whole thing now in this fashion. And the cool thing is it just gives us a chance to cross cancel stuff, right? So can we cross cancel? And I challenge you to not just use 2's. Like, just don't just go, oh, 2 goes into both of these, right? Try to do something harder than the 2, otherwise we'll be here until the cows come home, as they say in Ireland. So give me something big that can cross cancel to make life easy. And remember, you can cross cancel things on the top with the bottom. So this and this, or 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 this and this, this and this. Right, so as long as it's something on the top with something on the bottom. What's something really big that we can do? 20 and 42. I see something better that goes with 20 though. I say something that really 20 and 20. Oh, there we go. Now life is good. Our life is easier now. That's gone. Okay, now give me something. I challenge you to think about higher times tables, something big. 16 and 4, yeah. 4 would go into 16 and 4 would go into 72, but pause. There's something bigger. What's larger that goes into 16 and 72? 8, yes, 8, yeah. 8 into 72 goes how many times? 9 times. And 8 into 16? Twice. There we go. That helped a lot, right? Pop quiz. Can we cross cancel 9 with 18? Can we cross cancel 9 with 18? Can we do it? Are we allowed to do that? Correct. No, because they're both on the bottom. You can only cross cancel things with the top and the bottom. Correct. Okay. So how about 42 and 18? Give me something large that goes into both of those. 6. Good job. 6 into 18? 3 times. 6 into 42? 7 times. Now we're talking. Now we're doing great. Now, is there anything else that cross cancels? 3, 7, 3, 2, 2, 9, 7, 9, 7, 3, 2, 9. Anything? Nope. Oh, there isn't. So on the top we have 1 times 7 times 2. And on the bottom you have 9 times 3 times 1. So what's the answer? Yeah, 1 times 7 times 2 is 14. 9 times 3 times 1 is 27. And we're done. That's it. And we know, does anything go into 14 and 27? No, because nothing goes into the factors of these things. So, therefore, it doesn't go into the product of these things either. It's called the fundamental theory of arithmetic? Algebra? Not sure. Anyway, okay, so that's a fundamental theory of math. So, there we go. 14 over 27. That's it.